here, and in this quick video I'm going to show you just how easy it is to connect Rhino 3D to Skema utilizing the Skema plugin for Rhino. Now, the first thing you need is the plugin itself, which you can get in Rhino's Food for Rhino app store. The Skema to Rhino plugin creates a live connection between Rhino and Skema, allowing seamless, real-time exchange of geometry, meshes, terrain, and generic objects. And you can download it for either Rhino 7 or Rhino 8 on a Mac or Windows. Now let's hop over to Rhino and make the connection. Now, all I need to do is log into my Skema account in Rhino. Put in all my credentials and connect. So now that we're connected in Rhino, let's pop over to Skema to complete the connection. So now in Skema, I can open the project I want to send information to, open up my plugins and connections, find the exact Rhino connection, and then complete that bridge between the two programs. And now I'm ready to send information back and forth between Rhino and Skema.